Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English class.
Hi everyone. We are very happy you are here today.
In this video, you will listen to a long English conversation.
This conversation is a story about food and restaurants.
We will talk about ordering food, paying, and talking to people.
Please stay and listen to the whole video.
Now, let's begin our story. Sister, are you hungry today?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What do you feel like eating? What do you feel like eating?
I feel like eating a burger or something easy.
That sounds good. Do you want to go to the drive-thru first?
Yes, let's go to the drive-thru.
Hello, welcome to Burger Place. How can I help you? Hello, I would like to order, please. Of course. What would you like? I would like one cheeseburger and a medium fries.
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Would you like any drinks? Yes, I would like a large soda.
I would like water, please.
Anything else? No, that's all. Your total is $12. Thank you.
I like ordering at the drive-thru. It's fast.
Yes, it's very convenient.
But sometimes I like to eat inside a restaurant.
Me too. Let's eat inside next time. The next day, we decided to go to a restaurant.
Yes, we would like a calm place to sit and talk.
When we arrived, the restaurant was busy.
There were many people waiting. Good afternoon. Welcome to the restaurant.
Good afternoon.
How many people?
2 people.
Would you like a table or a booth? A table, please. Please follow me. This place looks nice.
Yes, it feels comfortable. Hello, my name is Mark. I'll be your server today. Hello, nice to meet you. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I would like an iced tea.
I would like water, please. I'll be right back.
I like this restaurant.
Me too. The atmosphere is nice.
I feel relaxed here.
Are you ready to order? I am ready.
I need a little more time.
No problem. Are you ready now?
Yes, I am.
I would like pasta with tomato sauce.
I would like grilled chicken with vegetables.
Would you like soup or salad? Salad, please.
Soup, please.
Perfect. I will bring your food soon.
I'm excited.
Me too. I'm very hungry. Here's your food. Thank you very much.
It looks delicious.
Yes, it smells great. How is everything? Everything is very good.
I really like my food.
I'm glad to hear that.
Can I have more water, please?
Of course. This service is very good.
Yes, the waiter's very kind.
Would you like dessert today?
Yes, I would like dessert.
What desserts do you have? We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and pie.
I would like chocolate cake.
I would like ice cream.
Dessert makes me happy.
Me too. It's my favorite part. Would you like the check? Yes, please. Here you go.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Hello, are you paying together?
Yes, together.
Please insert your card.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. That was a great meal.
Yes, everything was perfect.
I like learning English like this.
Me too. Real situations help a lot.
Now, students know how to order food.
They know how to talk to a cashier
They know how to talk to a waiter.
and how to pay and leave the restaurant.
Eating out is a great way to practice English.
Yes, because you use real words
And real conversations.
that makes learning easier.
If you're still watching, thank you.
Stay with us and keep practicing.
We will continue making long conversations.
Conversations that help you speak English with confidence.
Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And please give this video a like.
See you in the next English lesson.